The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the new Reef video. I'm getting everybody excited about this. It's doing 33.14% right now in green, pumping like crazy. It's pumping more than all of the 100 coins together. In top coin market cap. So we're gonna look at what's actually happening here. This big candle up here. I don't know if I know there's a lot of lines over here. I'm gonna explain everything, but this big green candle, we're gonna talk about that, and this wick up here, and what levels are we trying to break, and why are we pumping this hard. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get into the charts. Make my face smaller, charts bigger, always a good thing, and see what's actually happening. So first of all, now that there are too many lines over here, we're gonna remove some of the lines. We're going to talk about some of the numbers. This is some kind of target 0.0707. We're gonna leave it up there, but that's some kind of target up there. So basically we are in some kind of triangle up here. I know there are a lot of new guys here watching this for the first time, so I'm gonna explain to you this. We went inside some kind of a triangle over here. Unfortunately we went below the triangle when Bitcoin dumped, and then after that we went back inside it. We were trading inside, went above it, and then Bitcoin pulled us again down, and now we pumped hard again, because you cannot keep down the reef, you know. That said, let's see what are these were some kind of important resistances here at 46 and 49. That's especially this top over here. You can see that we are breaking it, and the previous that one and the 46, that's the weekly. I think that's the weekly. Let's go back. Yeah, that's the weekly top. That's this one over here that we are trying to break. That's the one here, and 49 is the weekly top over here that we are also trying to break. So 46 and 49 are the weekly tops that we are trying to break, and right now you can see over here that we are above everything, and we are looking as bullish as ever. So only thing that we want right now is this is a daily candle, and there is still 8 hours left of trading. So this can, of course, this can pull down if it wants to pull down, but we don't want to do that, of course. And the best case scenario right now would be actually closing above the 0.049 line. If you can do that, like all of the resistances are broken, and then we might actually do very nicely. Beside the big triangle, there is a rising wedge was happening over here, just like with everything else. Unfortunately, we fell down with the Bitcoin, and then we pumped. So we're gonna remove this rising wedge. We don't need that anymore. I mean, the top line actually might actually act as a support, so we're gonna keep it there for a second. Keep it there for a second and just talk about here what's happening here. So right now we're gonna pop some moving averages down here, and you're gonna see that this is actually looking superbly nice. Look at all the moving averages. All the moving averages are sitting in one big chunk over here, except the 10 moving average, but most of the moving averages are looking on one chunk. You can see here, once we started dumping down here, let me explain to you. Once we started dumping down here, once we started dumping, we hit this chunk of moving averages. That's the very strong support, and then we blasted off all the way to the moon, right? So that's why we did that, because Reef has been bullish from before, and it wanted to go several times. Several times it was hitting this, it was trying to go over here. It was actually getting ready to pump up. We are talking before, we have been doing Reef videos for a while now, and we are talking that this is actually quite bullish. Unfortunately, Bitcoin decided to drop on the downside, but now that we have actually got some kind of support again here, I don't think we're gonna go down again and be Reef was like, yeah, I'm going to the moon. That said, let's bring back our lines a little bit more again and talk about some indicators down here. You can see here that the indicators are not on some kind of overbought levels. We are not in some kind of 70 levels or 80 levels up here, something like over here at 80 levels where we are getting correction. So right now what I'm expecting to happen, if this actually holds above this level, above this 49 line, not this one, if this actually holds above the 49 line, I cannot use this program, guys. Okay, if this holds about 49 line up here, excuse us, we have some technical problems. Okay, so this part over here, if we can manage to close above that, if we can manage to hold the 0.049, we are very bullish, but tomorrow will be a red day. Why will tomorrow be a red day? Because we are extended from the moving averages. That's it, guys. We are extended from moving averages, and when you get that much, that's why I don't like these 30-40 candles, because these 30-40 candles will get a lot of people to FOMO in at the end here, and then you get these slow move down where they start selling because the price is going down, while actually what's happening is that these moving averages are slowly starting to climb up towards the price, and the price is only going back to the moving averages, and then is going to start climbing up when the moving averages start pushing it up. That's why these 30-40% moves are not actually sustainable and are actually quite bad for the trading. But it gets a lot of people excited, a lot of people FOMO in, and then what's happened when you FOMO in, you sit with the bags for a while. Now this is not actually that bad, because this will the last couple of days, maybe in 1-2 days, and then we continue up. Depends on how far this 10 moving average, this white line, will come tomorrow. So this might actually continue even higher up tomorrow, we'll see. But the faster the higher it continues, then the correction gotta come one way or the other. So let's see again on the daily chart. You can see here that this indicator down here, the RSI, is only 64. So some kind of daily correction is not needed, but we are extended from the moving averages. So let's see this on the smaller time frame and see what's actually happening right now. You can see here that the moving averages on the smaller time frames are all the way down here, and we are going back for the moving averages. So right now the lowest price that I see that we can hit is actually only 0.044. That's something like from now down, maybe 10% down, but these moving averages will start continue picking up with the price. And 1 hourly, you can see we're already hitting the 1 hourly 10 moving average, but I don't think that's gonna hold, since this was actually quite extended move, 30% move. So I'm thinking we're gonna break the 10 moving average, but the 20 moving average or 50 moving average might actually help us on the 1 hourly chart. This is 1 hourly chart, on the 1 hourly chart, and push the price further up. Either way, super bullish on the, wait, let's go back in time just to get these lines. Either way, super bullish on on Reef. Super bullish on Reef. This triangle is actually looking to be broken. We are still not technically not broken it. We are still technically not broken these resistance lines. But however you look at it, going 31% when everything else is 1-2% up or 1-2% down is bullish in my book. So, you know, take it for what you can take it for. Down below this video there is 2 links, Patreon link and the if you need some help picking coins, and also Telegram link. We got like 6,544 members or something like that. So join the Telegram group. A lot of people chatting about Reef. Reef is a big thing right now in the Telegram. That said, subscribe to the channel to get more updates on Reef, and thank you for watching the video and liking the video. I hope you liked the video. Enjoy. Bye bye.